Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the vocal isolation feature on CapCut mobile. So they didn't have this feature before, but now they do. They do have this feature. So you're just going to select the video or the audio that you have. Basically makes it like into an instrumental song. And then you're just going to scroll here, and then you're going to select the vocal isolation tab, which is this one. So select it, and if you want to remove it, just select remove vocal. Select remove vocal, and it's going to apply the vocal isolation. Unfortunately I can't play it with you, but it does remove the vocal from the audio. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.